This is where timeless architecture meets the magic of the holidays. Step inside a historic Craftsman home where every beam, every handcrafted detail, and every glimmer of seasonal decor tells a story. Today, we uncover how century-old design principles blend seamlessly with festive style, creating a warm tribute to the past while celebrating the joy of the present. Welcome to a home that doesn't just hold Christmas, it honors it.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
Our journey begins at the entrance, where the heart of Craftsman architecture makes its first impression. Solid wood beams support a deep porch adorned with stone foundations, offering a welcome rooted in history. Evergreen garlands stretch across the railings, and warm vintage lights illuminate crafted textures. A stained glass door crowned with a grand wreath signals the season's arrival with grace. This facade is more than structure. It's an invitation into a world where artistry and tradition stand proudly wrapped in holiday cheer. Stepping inside, the living room becomes a cinematic centerpiece of comfort. Exposed beams stretch overhead like a protective embrace. Built-in shelves showcase heirloom decor while a bold stone fireplace anchors the room, flickering with golden warmth. A tall Christmas tree, dressed in shimmering glass ornaments and nostalgic ribbons, glows beside mission-style furniture. Earthy Craftsman tones harmonize with the festive palette, creating a space where family memories feel handcrafted and lasting. The master bedroom offers intimacy and calm, a peaceful retreat from winter's chill. Rich wood paneling reflects gentle lighting from period wall sconces, while a quilted bedspread introduces soft seasonal color. A small decorated tree adds quiet joy, echoing the home's traditional motifs. Through frosted windows lies a winter tableau, framing serenity in white. Here, holiday decor doesn't overwhelm, it accompanies, enhancing the restful harmony central to Craftsman living. In the kitchen, heritage craftsmanship becomes alive with holiday energy. Walnut cabinets proudly display their natural grain, complemented by copper pots that shimmer like ornaments. Freshly baked treats cool upon the butcher block counters, filling the space with warm aromas. Pops of festive red and green emerge in linens and ceramics, while garlands tucked into nooks reinforce a timeless holiday charm. This is a kitchen built for gathering, and gifting joy through every recipe. Ascending the wooden staircase, the mezzanine reveals a breathtaking aerial glance into the living room below. Hand-carved balustrades are dressed with velvet ribbons and greenery, guiding the eye toward stained glass that washes color into the scene. From this vantage, architectural lines and Christmas decor interact like a composed melody, the craftsmanship's rhythm, and the season's harmony. It's a reminder that design is not just seen, it's felt. Elegance continues even in the most intimate corners of the home. In the bathroom, artisanal tilework blends deep greens and cream tones, reflecting the iconic arts and crafts palette. Holiday details stay refined, a poinsettia nestled by the window, neatly folded scarlet towels, and subtle candlelight warming cool surfaces. Every detail respects authenticity, proving that even a seasonal touch can honor heritage without disrupting refined simplicity. Stepping outside once more, the front yard extends the home's warm embrace. A stone pathway leads through lightly snow-kissed landscaping, lined by lanterns guiding guests to celebration. Shrubs sparkle with classic string lights, enhancing the twilight's soft drama. The porch glows with continuity, every detail carefully planned to echo the home's architecture. It's a festive welcome that begins long before the door opens. Above it all, the rooftop becomes a radiant beacon in the night. Exposed rafters frame strands of golden illumination tracing strong Craftsman profiles. The brick chimney releases gentle plumes of winter warmth as snow gathers in delicate layers. From this height, the home feels both sturdy and lyrical, a monumental silhouette honoring architectural legacy while celebrating seasonal wonder. A star-bright sky completes the story written in light and timber. In the working room, tradition inspires creativity. A mission-style desk sits proudly beneath built-in bookcases, each shelf punctuated by thoughtful holiday accents. Brass lighting pools warmly over polished wood surfaces, encouraging reflection and imagination. Greeting cards and handmade decor add personal narrative, showing how function and festivity coexist. Here, the Craftsman philosophy shines, purposeful beauty crafting a life well lived. Behind the home, the backyard embraces a more rustic holiday charm. A wooden pergola wrapped with garlands frames an inviting fire pit where winter stories unfold beneath wool blankets. Snow-draped garden beds sleep patiently until spring, while small decorated pines provide twinkling cheer. Warm window light spills into the yard, connecting indoor joy with outdoor peace. It's a quiet sanctuary where nature and celebration share the same breath. In this Craftsman Christmas home, history and holiday magic intertwine to create beauty that feels both nostalgic and alive. Every crafted surface, every seasonal accent, tells a story of care and tradition. As we leave, the spirit of the house lingers, reminding us that true design doesn't simply decorate the season, it shapes the memories that give it meaning.